So today I'm going to show off and talk about 9 drone accessories and add-ons you need and some that you really don't need to bother with. To use as the main example, I'm going to use the hottest drone release of this year in the Mini 3 Pro. But just bear in mind that a lot of these accessories are universal for all drones. You'll unfortunately notice that our Mini 3 Pro is a little broken in the gimbal area. Don't crash your drone, kids, but everything should work fine. Everything is in this mystery box, so the hype is very real.
What's in the box? What's in the box?
Anyway, without further ado, let's get into it. But if you like it, maybe click that subscribe button. Go on. You don't have to, but it takes 2 seconds. Anyway, enough of the shameless plugging. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, more powerful cables. Yes, some people have been complaining about the charging speed of the Mini 3 Pro and possibly other drones. But what you need is the best power plug and cable combo to boost you on your way out the door. We recommend at least a 30-watt USB-C charger along with a fast charging cord, a simple change with quick results. I'll be ranking these accessories in an extremely scientific 3-level system ranging from get it. If you feel like it, not worth it. But anyway, this power cable setup for something so simple, cheap and time saving will be receiving a get it. Unless you already have something similar, of course. Number 2, it's your classic wrap that we first saw come with the Mini 2 Fly More kit back when it was released. This one is fairly self-explicit. It keeps your drone all nicely wrapped and tucked in, and that is, well, that's literally about it. And it is very dependent on how OCD someone is with their drone, but I'm going to be harsh and give it a not worth it. It's a faff and I wouldn't really find myself bothering with it a lot. Number 3, a strap, and this is one that only works with the DJI RC controller or smart controllers, so if you just use the normal one, this isn't going to be for you. It's helpful if you want to change anything on the drone, but keep your controller handy around your neck, and do use straps when flying FPV. That's something I do. So it is useful. I think this does have a use and can save time, but isn't fully necessary. This will be receiving a if you feel like it. Number 4, a different camera cover. Yes, the Mini 3 Pro does come with a cover and a piece of foam that I wasn't a huge fan of. This is an alternative cover that does cover the front sensors, and I would say the gimbal's slightly better in place, but it is a bit more chunky and I wouldn't say a whole bit necessary. What I would like to see someone design is a camera cover and strap in one like the Mavic 3 came out with. Now that would be a helpful accessory that kills 2 birds with 1 stone. But this camera cover overall, I would say not worth it. Number 5, prop guards. Now in the past, I tested the Mini 2 Pro prop guards and they work great, and I can say I've used these prop guards as well. I can't say I've used them. I've not used them yet as the Mini 3 Pro is broken, but it's a great thing to have in your kit bag. I would like to see some prop guards designed to protect the camera a bit more. As you can see here, this won't do that. It's just going to hit the gimbal or camera first, and that would be that. So for these prop guards in general, I would say get it. Okay, number 6. Number 6. Landing gear extensions. Now these come in all shapes and sizes, but it's just the idea of putting something below your drone to allow it to avoid grass or anything when taking off and landing. Now of course with your mini drones, some landing gears may take over the desired sub 250 gram weight limit. That is something definitely to consider. But the DJI mini drones actually weigh around 242 grams, so you have a 7 gram weight limit for your landing gear, and these ones are 6.5, so cutting it close but still under 250. These are a pair we made using a 3D printer. We were doing a video on how to print drone 3D printer stuff, so look out for that in the future. Anyway, I would say these are a good little pickup if you're in an area where taking off isn't easy, but the next bit of kit will also remedy that and keep your drone at its original weight. So the landing gear will be receiving a if you feel like it. Number 7, landing pad. This is something everyone who flies drones should have in their backpack. They are great for snow, tall grass or wet conditions. This one we use folds nicely away, it is weighted and offers a bright orange finish that makes it easy to spot. What more is there to say? This is a classic. Get it. Number 8. Now this may not fully count, but there could be a few of you out there that haven't picked them up for whatever drone you may be flying, but that is ND filters. I describe them as sunglasses for the drone that allow you to darken the image and have the best settings possible with a low ISO and aperture, resulting in less grainy and shadowy footage. I've made a whole video on these, so check that out, along with how to improve your drone footage, which goes into settings and everything else in further detail. So that will be in the top right here, if I remember, but it will also be down in the description. ND filters are, in my humble opinion, a get it. Number 9. It's a hard case. We've slowly built it up. Something many people would like to keep their drones in. These are great for keeping your drone super safe for traveling, as well as avoiding condensation when in a cold vehicle, which can mess with the camera. Not great if you're looking to travel light when hiking or going on long walks. However, you could run a hard case and bag system, depending on what your day entails. This one is up to you and isn't an essential bit of kit, so I'll be giving it a if you feel like it. So that was 9 small but handy drone accessories to consider, or some not so handy. And here on the table is the final rankings. Let us know any accessories we missed out on in the comments and what your thoughts are on anything brought up here today. Remember to subscribe? Nah, not worth it. And I'll catch you all, or probably just the 2 or 3 of you left watching this, on the next video. Get it.